Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jessii G here. So excited to have you back. So it's been forever, but yeah, life happens, my bad. So much to tell you guys. My life is a complete 360 from where? 180, 360? I'm not really, which one? It's a circle. It's all the way around. It's not the same as it was last time I talked to you guys, but I'm in a whole different space and a better space, and I'm so excited to be back shooting more videos for you guys. So today I'm going to be just doing it's a plain tutorial. Well, never plain, you know, but it is featuring Natasha and Rihanna. I am loving their products right now, so I wanted to show you guys how I get a full face of gorgeousness with them. So if you are interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and keep watching. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer by Rihanna. I love this Fenty primer, oh my goodness. Love how it diffuses my pores. I love how soft it makes my skin. And I'm wearing it every single day. So right here, I'm literally just gonna put some concealer onto my lids so that when I apply my eyeshadow, everything's gonna apply smoothly. This is my wonderful Natasha Sunset Palette. Oh my God, look at it guys, it's beautiful. I love it. I'm applying here my transition color into the crease. I'm going in a windshield wiper and back and forth motion. You guys have seen me do this before. I will definitely put all the colors that I'm using in the bottom, but I'm pretty sure it's called Volcano, but like, do you guys really care what it's called? It's a dark brown color that's going into my transition area. And I'm going right in the crease and the lid and going back and forth until I feel like that color is spread out enough. All right, so here I'm gonna apply it to my lid. This is like a golden shimmer peach color, I'd say. I'm pretty sure it's called Mandarin, but again, the name means absolutely nothing. So yeah, I'm gonna apply that to my lid after applying my transition color. And I'm gonna give it just a few taps and kind of bring it into a gradient effect so that the colors kind of blend into each other. So here on my tear line, I'm applying a golden color just to brighten up my eyes and kind of make my eyes more open. So here I'm adding a dash of pink to my brow bone just to kind of help that transition color kind of fade out. So it's just not too much and just make it look more soft and more natural right on my brow bone. So I'm going to take a soft blending eyeshadow brush here and just blend out all the colors just to make sure that everything is gradient, everything is falling into each other, there's no harsh lines, everything just looks like it's all together. So just to add a little bit more definition to my eyes, I'm going to add this dark brown to my lash line on both the top and bottom just to give a little bit more definition, make my eyes a little bit more defined and pop a little bit more. Foundation time. So I am using Natasha Denona's Foundation X. It has a matte finish and it's full coverage. Using my beauty blender here to apply this all over my face. It works for all skin types. I love how radiant it goes on. This is in the color 90, which is the darkest color, which was one of my biggest issues with this foundation is honestly not the darkest. Why is this your darkest color, Natasha? But anyways, I do love the foundation. However, it is a really good product. And I do love how it applies matte, but still gives you a radiant look. So you guys have definitely seen me use these before in my Fenty video. If you haven't, click above so you could watch. But these are the Fenty matched sticks. I have 4, but I'm gonna use 3 today. I love these matchsticks. They give me the perfect contour every single time and still give me a glow, but still keep me matte. Like, I don't know, they're just absolutely perfect. So I'm using SUEDE right now. to go ahead and highlight. And I don't want a crazy highlight. I really just want to kind of get my color to just pop a little tiny bit. So I'm going to use my blender brush here to go ahead and blend out that color, and you'll see just a little bit of highlight. So I'm going in, this is Truffle, I want to say. Again, all the colors and descriptions, you guys know, is always in the description box, so you'll be able to see all that. But I'm going in for just a light contour, nothing too crazy, because I still want to go for a very natural look. That's what I kind of do for like an everyday look. So I'll show you guys how I get that contour. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the color, my jawline, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend upwards when I go towards my cheekbone to give my cheekbone just a little bit of a lift there. And you guys see me use a lot of the same brushes for a lot of the same things. In between each use, I'm using Quick Change that I got from Bare Minerals. I'll put a link down below because it's really good if you guys have the same brushes, so that you guys don't have to, you know, mix colors and things like that. It's really awesome. And here I'm using a smaller blender brush, but I'll definitely put the link below for the Quick Change because you guys definitely want that. So every girl needs a good highlight, and this matchstick is my favorite for highlight. Pretty sure this is in Cinnamon. Again, colors in the bottom, so don't worry, you'll have the name. But I love this. I'm just gonna apply to my cheekbones, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. And you guys will see how that, just a slight shimmer, but it's just absolutely flawless. And I'm going back in with my beauty blender just to make sure everything's blended out flawlessly, because you know blending is key to any amazing look. I'm just touching up here, guys, finishing up and making sure that everything looks flawless. And then it's time for lipstick. So for my lip color, I am using the color Griselda. This is a Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. Really love these colors. I don't like how much they bleed, so you do have to be careful and reapply, but I do think the color is absolutely phenomenal, and the matte is absolutely phenomenal. So that's today's look, guys. I hope you guys love it. I want you guys to try it and let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.